If you have children or pets at home, ensuring their safety is always a top priority. One essential product that can help you achieve that is the Booda brand Furniture Anchor's 10-pack for baby-proofing. These furniture straps are designed to secure heavy furniture and prevent it from tipping over, providing added peace of mind for families. These anti-tip anchors are incredibly strong, with the ability to secure furniture weighing up to 400 pounds. This strength makes them ideal for securing large bookshelves, dressers, cabinets, and other heavy pieces that could pose a risk if they were to fall. The anchors are made of durable metal material, ensuring long-term reliability and stability. The white color helps them blend seamlessly with most furniture, maintaining your home's aesthetic. One standout feature is their versatility. These furniture anchors are suitable not only for baby-proofing but also for securing items during earthquakes. If you live in an area prone to seismic activity, these straps provide added protection to help minimize the risk of falling furniture during unexpected tremors. Installation is simple and straightforward. Each pack includes all the necessary hardware and clear instructions to guide you through the process. The adjustable straps allow you to customize the fit for different furniture sizes, ensuring a secure attachment. Whether you need to protect curious toddlers or playful pets, the Booda anchors provide an effective solution. Investing in furniture anchors is a smart move for home safety, giving you confidence that your family and pets are better protected. If you're interested in improving your home's safety, check out the link in the description below to get your own pack of Booda brand furniture anchors today.